I just had a burden one morning to help these farmers out after seeing it on social media and seeing that the actual media had not followed this any, and seeing just the cows burned up and the lives of humans lost trying to fight to save their livestock.
We're going to Oklahoma to help somebody that, if I was in the same situation, I'd want somebody to be able to come help me.
The reason I decided to go on this trip was just the right thing to do. I mean, farmers helping farmers.
Several of the guys going were affected by the flood a few years ago, and they know how hard it is to need help, and they just stepped up and wanted to go.
We also have some voluntary donations we're going to drop off, since we here in South Carolina know what it's like to be affected by a natural disaster, and we just want to go out there and offer all the assistance we can. We got a lot accomplished. We made a lot of friends. It's a really great feeling to know that we made a difference and lended a helping hand.
Being in Farm Bureau and the grassroots organization, just a few phone calls is all it took to get this together.